Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Python 0 to Hero series. Last time we learned how to create strings, use quotes, and even make Python laugh with a program. Ha ha ha. But strings can do so much more, like uppercasing, slicing, reversing, and cleaning up text. First is indexing. Let me write it down. Indexing. In Python, every character in a string has a position called an indexing. In Python, every character in a string has a position called an index. Clear? Every character in a string has a position called an index. Let's take the example. Word. Let's take Python. Okay. And let me print word index 0. Let's see. Let me print index 0. Let's see what will be the output. P. Remember, in Python, indexing is a start from 0, 1, 2, and so on. Yes, here P is 0, Y is 1, T is 2, H is 3, O is 4, and N is 5. And if you try to access an index that doesn't exist, you get an index error. So don't ask Python for the 10th letter in the word Python. Then it will show an index error. Okay, let's take another and let's print another word. Print word. Now take the index 3. Now what will be the output here? 0 is P, 1 is Y, 2 is T, and 3 is H. The output will be H. Exactly, the output is H. Okay, understood? One more example, let me take print word 5, index number 5. Let's see what will be the output. N. So it's clear. Let me show. If you take index number 7, then tell me what will be the output. So it must be clear that it will show index error, the string index out of range. So you have to stay inside the range. Okay, it is clear. Got it? Just remove this and let's move ahead. Okay, you can also use negative indexing to count from the end. Exactly, let me write it down. Print example, print word. I will take the index -1. Now tell me what will be the output. Output will be N, because -1 means last character, -2 means last second, -3 means last third, and so on. It's like reading from right to left. It should be clear in your mind. Okay, let's take one more example of negative index. Print word indexing -3. According to you, what will be the output? H. 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, -3. And if you are using only 1, then it will be like 0, 1. Left to right. Remember this. And in minus, we don't use -0. That doesn't exist. Remember this. 0 is P and -1 is N. In minus, we starts with -1. Okay, it must be clear in your head. Let's learn What is string slicing? String slicing, right? Slicing means what? Slicing means cutting a piece out of a string. Cutting a piece out of a string. Removing something out of the string. Taking out a part out of a string. Yes, let's take the example word. Again, I will take it Python, and I will print word index should start from 0 to 4. Now tell me what will be the output. See, it will print from 0 index to 4 index. Then the output should be P, Y, T, H and O. Because P is 0, it will print 0, Y is 1, it will print Y, 2, T is 2, it will print T, and 3, it will print H, and 4, it will print O. Let's see the output. Okay, here what we see, that it's not taking the last character. It's not taking the last character. Remember, the end index is not included. This will print only P, Y, T, H. It starts at index 0, stops before index 4. Be careful here, the end index is not included. Think of it like an open fridge. You grab everything till shelf number 4, but not shelf 4 itself. Exactly. It's clear? Let's take one more example. If we will print word 1 to 5, then guess what will be the output? 1 is Y and 5th index is N, but it will not include the 5th index. YTHO is the output. Let's see. Exactly. So it is clear. Great. Let's move ahead. See, you can also skip the start index and end index. Remember this. You can skip the start index or end index if you want. For example, if we take a print word, if I want to print only first 3 characters, okay, let's write it down. 3. The output is PYT. And same thing, if I, ignore my spelling mistake, if I write it down like this, then what will be the output? It will skip here. It will skip first 2 letters. Yes. And it will print thon. Exactly clear? C. And let me take one more example. Word. Okay. I have taken only colon, so it will print the full string. Python. The output is clear to you? And let me recap this. Let me explain this. If we will take print word colon 3, then it will print 0 to the 3rd character, that is until index number 2. It will print PYT. P is 0, Y is 1, T is 2. Yes, and if we will write print word 2 colon, then it will remove first 2 index, that is 0 and 1. That means PY will be removed. It will print after slicing down the 2 index. Okay, and if we will write down only colon, it will print the whole string, full string. Clear to you all guys? Okay, And the best magic is, let me show you, we can reverse the string too. Print word, let's double colon -1. What will be the output? See the magic here. NOHTYP. The string is reversed. See, the third value -1 means go backward. Super cool, right? Okay, let's now talk about string methods. Basically, string methods are built-in tools that make string handling easier. Clear? Built-in tools. Let me take the example. Text. Hello Python. Let me print. First string method is text dot upper. Okay. Then what will be the output? Whole string is converted to uppercase. See, the output is hello Python in uppercase. Second one is print text dot lower. See, whole string is in lowercase. It's converted in lowercase. Okay. Next, print text dot strip. Third one is print text dot replace Python, comma, this should also be in word. Yes. What does this means? Text dot replace. We will replace hello Python. We will replace Python word to hello Python. Third is print text dot title. Okay. Fourth is print length, alien length text. See, it will show you the length of the, yes, see, 12 is the length of the text. Okay, I guess it is clear. Let's break that down. Dot upper means makes everything in capital. Dot lower means bring it all in lowercase. Dot strip means removes unwanted spaces. It will remove all unwanted spaces from the text. Okay, and dot replace means replaces old words with new ones. Dot title means capitalizes each word like a book title. Length means counts how many characters in total. It's like giving your text a spa treatment, cleaned, formatted, and refreshed. One more super useful check, that means membership operators. Let me take the example. Membership operators. Yes. So text will be Python is fun. Print Python and in text. Let's see. That says true, because yes, Python is in text. True. Now let me take another example. Print Python not in text. Says false. Yes, Python is, this sentence Python is not a text is false. Yes, Python is a text. You can use in and not in to check if a word exists inside a string. And like asking, is Python in this sentence? Yes, true. Before we wrap up, let's make a mini demo or take one more example to clear everything. Let's take user name should be CS unlocked. Okay, we will print word original and we will take a colon comma user. Okay, see it is printed original CS unlocked. Okay, and user equal to user dot strip. Okay, dot title. Now I will print after cleanup colon 1 second comma, I missed the comma, user. See that? Clean name, perfect format. Your code just became a text stylish. Exactly. See, we use dot strip to remove unwanted spaces. Huh? And we used dot title, capitalize each word like a book title. So see, it converted S into small s. Okay. So today we learned indexing, slicing strings. In indexing we have learned positive and negative. Reversing string we have also learned. We have talked about string methods like uppercase, lowercase, replace, strip, length. Okay, and one more thing we have talked about membership operators in a sentence or not a part of a sentence. Okay, clear? In the next video, we will finally make Python talk to us with the input function and typecast. We will try to talk about the typecasting. Okay, so go practice slicing up some strings and make your code stylish. Catch you in the next one. Okay, bye and take care.